All right, check it out. Bobby V's about to bust some shop on the truck. I don't know if you can hear it. There's a loud humming coming on the front driver's side of the Caruch, the Ramfla. That's the exhaust. Let me see. That part. I'm gonna fix it today. What you need?